Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating videos using InVideo, a powerful online video creation platform. Accessing InVideo. Begin your journey by visiting InVideo's Studio dashboard. If you don't have an account, please sign up to get started. Navigating the dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at the Studio dashboard. Here, you can explore pre-made video templates, utilize the AI text-to-video feature, and access the premium video editor, all designed to enhance your video creation experience. Using AI text-to-video. To create videos using the AI text-to-video feature, select this option. Browse through available templates and choose one that aligns with your content and style. Script input and creation. If you have a script, paste it into the designated section. Alternatively, ask InVideo to generate a script for you. Once ready, click Create Scene to begin video generation. Storyboard and customization. In the storyboard window, your script is divided into scenes. Edit and modify as needed. Replace stock media with options that better fit your content. Explore customization tools for further enhancements. Adding voiceover. Add a voiceover to your video by selecting the voiceover button. Choose from automated text-to-speech, import options, or record your own voiceover. Exporting the video. Once satisfied with your video, proceed to export. Ensure you have a Pro subscription to enable this feature. Wait for the export process to complete, and your video is ready for use. Thank you for choosing InVideo. We look forward to seeing the incredible videos you create. For more information, visit our website.